Hey, come and make dinner with me. I think it's kind of fun sometimes to get some dish that you usually eat out with and try and recreate it at home. Today we are making beef and broccoli. Super easy to put together. It's got your protein and your veggies all in one. Side note, my family will eat vegetables if I cook them to death. So if you don't like your broccoli well done, then I suggest you cook it for a little less time. I hope you enjoy.
I come around with the perfect alibi. Midnight, pouring my heart out like it's water. Tick tock, you know this